The flat wash brushes are great for using on backgrounds, adding large areas of color very easily and quickly. Because they're so large and hold so much water, you can easily cover the entire canvas from side to side, create these nice soft blended. You can also add hills to our landscape. These flat wash brushes hold a lot of paint, make it very easy to create these to cover large areas of your canvas very quickly. Using the smaller flat wash, we can add clouds, thinning out our paint, a little bit of glazing medium or water, and just use a very little bit of paint. And I'm going to use the edge of my brush, regular lines, and then just so we can also use this brush for trees, create thin lines for our tree trunks just by running it along that flat edge. And I'm using the edge of my brush to tap in some random texture there. I also use this with a little bit of glazing liquid to create some shadows on our hill. I'm going to glaze in here, just add a little bit of darker shadow right in there. Wipe off the extra and just blend back and forth. Glaze a little bit of darker color down in here. There we go. Give it a little bit more depth.